Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You got that blackout grille as well as the black bumper down there. Got your halogen headlights right there, and coming all the way around to the side here, we do have our Goodyear brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. Do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming around to the back, we do have our 6-foot box. You got the black bumper back here as well, and we can open it up right here. Looks great back here as well. It has a spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up or wrecked. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You got your handle, another handle here, and some storage right down here. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice. You do also have the controls over your lights right here. So the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as in-cabin light control right here, and our control over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers all right there. Let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have as well. We can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You got your messages, screen setup, your settings, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. That is controlled from right here with your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. And then over here in the center, we do have our radio. So we do have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. As well as you got your media tab here, presets, info, ABC. Then you do have your volume up and down with the power, your skips and your mute, as well as you got your menu, your audio, your back button, and your tuner browser over there. Control over the 4-wheel as well as the 2-wheel and the lock there. And over here we do have our climate control, so the power up and down as well as circulation, hazard lights, your temperature control as well as your AC, and then where it's going to blow over with your defrosts. You do have your traction control and tow and haul mode down there. As well, you got some storage just in there and some more storage right there. 3 cup holders here, armrest, doubles as a storage container. You do have your coin holders there as well as a USB and aux cord plug-in right over there. You can lift this guy up. You got another seat right underneath there. And then we do have the top and bottom layer glove boxes. Lots of room. Looks fantastic. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your handle, control over your windows, handle here, and it looks great in here as well. Very spacious. You can fold this guy up. You got some storage just underneath there, as well as your cup holders right over there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around view of the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.